Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to lesson number 11 of Mukhtasar al-Qudoori. Right, let's explain the words. So, Sunnah, okay, this has the meaning of Sunnah, and it's a past tense from the pattern Sunnah yasunnu. Sunnah yasunnu, it means to make a practice, to make Sunnah. Rasul, it means messenger. Okay, messenger. Allah is Allah. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam, we've done this before. Ghusl is bathing. Dhamma. Jum'ah. Jum'ah is Friday. In the Arabic language, the name for Friday is Jum'ah. Eidain, this is dual of Eid. Okay, dual of Eid, which means the Muslim celebration which occurs, and that's twice a year, Eid. Ihram is a state that a person goes into, the sanctified state that a person goes into when they're performing the Hajj, right? And it's called the Ihram, and you usually have it where you for men they wear certain two pieces of cloth, and for women it's different. That's something that's going to be explained more in detail in chapter of Hajj, inshallah. Arafah is the 9th of the month of Dhul Hijjah, or Dhul Hijjah. Dhul Hijjah is the month of Hajj, and it's one day before the Eid, before what we call the Eid al-Adha, before Eid al-Adha. And it's called the day of Arafah. Laysa, not, it's a negative. Fi, madhi is pre-seminal fluid, pre-seminal fluid. Wadi is cloudy fluid. It's cloudy fluid that comes out after urine. Sometimes a thick cloudy fluid that exits after urine from the genitals, male genitals. Ghusl is a bath, or fihima, in them is wudhu. So that's the explanation of the words. Let's look at the grammar. So the grammar, Sunnah, this is a past tense verb. Okay, he, Sunnah out of the 14, it's the first one. Wahid, mudhakkar, ghaib. And the fa'il is Rasul. This is mudaf. And the word Allah is mudaf ilayhi. Okay, so Rasulu Allahi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. We've done this before. Al-Ghusla, this is fatha because it's the maf'ul bihi, the object. Maf'ul bihi. That this is what is being set out as a sunnah. Lil Jum'ah, lam harf al-jar, and the Jum'ah gets a kasra because of that. Wal Eidain, Eidain. Okay, the ataf here, right, is being done on the Jum'ah itself, so the lam is affecting the Eidain as well, and hence it's giving it the state of jar, Eidain, instead of Eidan. So normally it would be al-Eidan, but because of the state of jar, Eidain. Ihram as well, this is the waw ataf, it goes back to Jum'ah, and so we give Ihrami. Okay, we say Ihrami. And wa Arafah, and Arafah, the waw again goes back there. So the word Arafah, okay, this is a word which is غير منصرف. Okay, غير منصرف, and as we know in غير منصرف, it only takes dhamma or fatha. Okay, no kasra, no kasra. And because there's no kasra, we say Arafa ta. Okay, Arafa ta. Just like in Zufar, previously in the early clips we mentioned the word Zufar, wa inda Zufara. So here, أو خلافا لزفرة, here wa Arafa ta. Ta. It's in the state of jar, but it has a kasra as the jar. Right, next, Laysa, this is from the Kana wa akhawatuha. So it's going to give the ism a rafa and the khabar a nasab. Fi, Okay, fil madhi, and well, wow, this is the ataf, so the ataf goes on to madhi, and so therefore the fi will also be affecting this, so wadi. Okay, fil madhi wal wadi. And the word ghusl is ghuslun. Why is it ghuslun? Because this is the ism of laysa. Laysa ghuslun fil madhi wal wadi. The ism, and then this would be considered the khabar, like we're going to see in a bit. وَفِيهِمَا, and in both of them, al-wudu'u. Okay, al-wudu'u. This is in the rafa'. This is considered to be in the rafa'. In other words, this is a mubtada mu'akhar. Okay, the mubtada mu'akhar. Okay, because of that, it's rafa'. So now let's have a look at how this sentence works then. So we have Sanna Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. This is the fi'l, this is the fa'il, and this is the maf'ul. Okay, so we have the fi'l there, we have the fa'il, and then we have the maf'ul bihi, and we have the harf al-jar. All of that is connected, and it goes back, and it's all connected to one sentence. And so we have jumla fi'liya. The sentence is a jumla fi'liya. And then next we have the next sentence, which is starts off with laysa fil madhi. This is the ism of laysa. Oops, kala. So this is the ism of laysa, and fil madhi wal wadi, this is the khabar of laysa, and then this is the mubtada al wudu, and wafihima is the khabar again. So we have an ism. Okay, this is all related, and then this is all related. So we have that's the grammar behind this. So now let's look at the lessons that we can learn from this text. Okay, so here what Imam Qudoori wants to mention is that there are 4 times when taking a bath is sunnah. It's considered to be sunnah, and those 4 times are for Jum'ah, number 1, for Eid, the 2 Eids, number 2, for Ihram, number 3, and finally for Arafah, which is number 4. So there's 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times when it's sunnah to perform ghusl. One is for the Friday, okay, the Friday prayers. So on the Friday, you take your bath, and that is considered to be a sunnah, which the Prophet ﷺ used to do. And on the Eidain, the 2 Eids, okay, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, both Eids, taking a bath in the morning is also considered to be something which is sunnah. And Ihram, when a person wants to go into the state of Ihram, then prior to that it's sunnah. The Prophet ﷺ would take a bath. And Arafah on the 9th of Dhul Hajjah, one day before the Eid, when the pilgrims, the Hajis, they go to perform the ritual at Arafat, then for them to perform the bath as well on that day, to bathe, is also sunnah. So this is the first masla that Imam Qudoori wants to mention. Now there's a second masla, okay, which is from here up to here. And this is like kind of finishing off the topic of bathing. And here Imam Qudoori wants to mention an issue with regards to excretion from the genitals, okay, from the penis, excretion, which is known as madhi and wadi. Okay, these two, what's the ruling of these two? If these two were to come out or excreted, are they treated like semen? In other words, does a person have to perform ghusl and bathe if these two were to come out? So he says clearly no, laysa, okay, there is no ghusl when any of these two substances or liquids are excreted from the genitals. However, a person must perform wudhu. In other words, wudhu breaks. Okay, wudhu breaks just like wudhu breaks when urine comes out of the genitals and urethra. So likewise, wudhu will break if any one of these two fluids were to be excreted from the genitals. So these are the two issues that Imam Qudoori wants to mention here. Hope that makes sense. Jazakumullah khair.